Hi, this is Dave from Diecast Toys Plus, and here is video number 3 of our Johnny Lightning's eBay haul. In this video here, these are all Mustangs. These were all the Mustangs that were in that haul. There's a bunch of them here. So we'll start out with these right here. These are 4th of July 2000 Celebration of Independence 67 Mustang Shelbys, and they're the same car, just different colors on them. You know, one is blue with red and then the white stripes, one is white with red stripes and the stars on the hood. And as you notice, there was no peg holes on the cards, so I'm gonna say they're probably some kind of a promotional car from somewhere, because there's no peg holes on these at all. And on the back there is some information, Celebration of Independence, on the back there. Each car is limited to only 5,000 of each color, so these are one of 5,000. Each one is. This one here, the card's a little bent on the white one. But very nice cars. Very, yeah. It's the front and the back. And then there was Mustang Classics, a 69 Mustang Mach 1. It's got a pin in it. It's got a collector number on the pin. Another nice Mustang. It's a nice casting here. Got a black hood on there. Next one is Classic Gold Collection. It's got a card with it. You got a 65 Shelby GT 350 in white. I like the way the pinstriping definitely tells you it's a Shelby Mustang, because they put that on most of their early 60s Mustangs. Nice car. Got the taillights painted. Next one is Ad Rods. And there was 2 of these. And this is a 78 Mustang Cobra in white with, it's got the red stripes on it. A lot of them you see they have the blue stripes on them. These are nice. You don't see too many of this casting or this year body. Wasn't one of Ford's better Mustangs, but it looks really sharp. It says 1978 on the license plate, Cobra across the back. It's a nice, they did a good job with this one. They got parking lights in the grill painted in, the horse emblem in the grill, spoiler on the front. So we got a little card, Cobra Bites. And then I have these Mustang Illustrated. That's probably the cover of the magazine. And this one here is a 64.5 Mustang convertible. And first year they came out, first year Mustang. It's got the emblem and horse emblem in the grill there. Black interior. Looks like it's got little sun visors up on the top of the windshield post. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of hard to see it. Taillights are painted in the back. Gas cap. Out of the Mustang Illustrated, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars. I have 5 of these. The only one I didn't get was the 71 Mustang, but I have all the rest. This one here is the 67 Mustang. Goodyear tires on there. black grill. Another nice casting. Especially if you're into old Mustangs, these are really nice. And here's a 69 Mustang Mach 1. It's got Goodyear tires on it. It's a nice, not too, you don't see too many green, like a teal green. It's a really sharp looking color to have on this car. The black hood. In the back of the car. Nice detail on them. They do a good job with the detail on you know, Johnny Lightnings does a real good job. And a 76 Ford Cobra 2. This one's all black. The other one was white. This one here is all black. Got a spoiler on the front. Says Ford across the back there. Cobra on the rear spoiler. And you can see that. See where it says Cobra there. And the last one in the Mustang Illustrated was this 94 Mustang. Nice two-tone paint. The black and the burgundy. It's got a big hood scoop on the front of it. Says Mustang on the rear bumper. And got the Ford emblem on the deck lid there. Next one that we got was JohnnyLightnings.com Racers. And this is like a Trans Am series Mustang. It says Bikini.com. BIKNI. Got yellow wheels on there. Got a guy on the hood of the car. Looks like surfers on the roof of the car. Back. Bottom's kind of plain looking on there. There's not really a whole lot there. No exhaust, no motor. Just kind of a flat plain base to it. Alright, and then racing machines. This is a Homelink Mustang from the Trans Am Series, season 1999. Owner is Rock Sports Racing. Driver Paul Gonzalez. This one's in black.
Paul Gentilosi.
Gentilosi.
Like Italian.
It says Homelink on the side. Got a yellow spoiler on the front. Homelink on the hood. BF Goodrich across the windshield. Gold wheels. Kind of just like the card. The one in the back. And then the last car is this one here. There is the Coyote. There were actually 5 of these cars in there all together. So, got 5 of them. Somebody they must have liked this car. They had a bunch of them in that lot. But it's Coyote Performance, 1999 season. Rowan Motorsports, Randy Rowan, number 49, Trans Am Series Mustang. It's purple with white, blue stripes on it. It says Coyote on the side of there. Got gold wheels in the front, in the back. And you see they got plain base on these racing performance machines. And that's the end of the lot. That's lot number 3 of that haul. Well, that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to hit like, make comments, and subscribe to my channel. This is Dave of DTP. Have a great day and drive safe.